Hi everybody, Mason Sanchez here, and welcome back to another brand new video. If you guys like what I do, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on a notification in case every time I post. And if you like what I always do, make sure you follow me on other social medias. And remember, you guys, I love your support no matter what. Just keep subscribing. And now, enjoy this video. Hey Donald, what do you say me and you go to the grocery store and get something to eat? I'm starving. Donald, buddy, Donald. Jeez, Donald, what gives? I invite you over here for vacation and all you want to do is watch TV. What are you watching anyway?
Gamer? Yeah? Wait, something's different about you. Did you get a haircut? Yeah, I had my haircut like 2 weeks ago, like fake. Without my permission? How'd you manage to save up that much money? Because I did some work. Oh, well, I guess that makes sense. Anyways, I'm gonna be going to the store. Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna see how much money I have left. Gamer! Yes, Mother. You used all of my money for some workout! Well, there was a good reason I need that money, because I need to get my new haircut and all that. Don't you ever steal my money again, you piece of shit!
Really? Blue Gamer got in trouble just because he borrowed his mom's money just to give himself a haircut? What's the most dumbest thing I ever seen? She should use it making excuses and just come up with funny ways, which is why I always create gags to make the audience laugh. And may I ask, what's that supposed to be?
And who's the winner? Me! I cannot be beat!
Donald, you can't even go against Mickey Mouse, who always gets the attention and gifts.
So, that's your game, is it? I give up.
Yeah, that's my game, Bird Brain.
Oh yeah, watch it!
You know what? How's about we both play a game?
Why you what's doing beyond fiddle?
I'm telling you this, Donald, because this is going to be the biggest, humongous game ever! I won't give up this that easy. At least I got me some dessert. This hot chili pepper.
Unbelievable. Talk about humiliating. I want a rematch.
I bet I could beat you at this challenge, Donald. Because once I start trying not to laugh, I'll be seeing you laughing your beak off. Once this is over, I'll be the best challenger ever.
Dude, I cannot work with this guy anymore.
What you talking about, folk? I always pays you back.
You've been stealing from me ever since I've been working with a dream finder.
Figmas, I was not.
Just be quiet. You two were fighting, and you yanked Minnie Mouse right over a delivery truck, and now she's in the hospital.
I just wanted her to cook me some chickens.
Hey, that's not fair! You may be lucky this time, Donald, but once I beat you at another challenge, I promise you, because this will be the biggest challenge yet. I'll beat you at another challenge, like, I don't care what I'm saying, but all I know is that I will beat you at this game, and once I do, I will be the best challenger ever!
Well, you sure right.
The married doll can't sing.
This is exasperating. That was too complicated.
Yeah, you're right. No comments, no challenge ideas. Well, I've got an idea. Why don't we just create our own challenge game and more challenge ideas? That way we can both see who's the best. Well, this must be the place where Squid Girl lives. But not to worry, because I can't wait to give her a surprise. And I can still beat Donald. Man, I should have come up with this idea in the first place. Oh well, Donald's gotta go prank Squid Girl and give her a surprise. And I'll be sure I'll beat Donald once and for all. He's what's taking Donald so long with this prank? Oh wait, I can't wait to see how that happens.
Stupid, I'm gonna get you. No, wait, just wait.
Ah, man. Nope, that's how you prank Squid Girl, Donald. Let's get out of here.
Stupid, I'm gonna get you. No, wait, just wait. Got a minute!
Why don't you look me up?
Are you gonna be okay?
On what we were thinking, finding each other at who's the best and all. We're both not perfect, but we are special. I just want to say, I'm sorry.
I just can't do it. I'm sorry. You're the best.
And you're special to me too, Donald. What do you say? Want to be best friends again?
Yeah!
I'm just glad we're best friends again, Donald. So what do you say? You want to go to the park with me?
Come on, let's go!
Okay then, buddy. Donald, your drone is so awesome.
This is gonna be stupendous! Oh
Man, that drone can really go up in the sky. It's like, oh, and there's a camera on here too. It can even see us. Oh, oh, oh! Merry Christmas! Merry... Oh, no! Oh, what's going on?
boy! Well, that's extremely disappointing.
Hey, buddy, I don't like to be interrupted, but, I believe there's something in the sky and, it's about to head us straight to What have we done?